A warm welcome and good evening to the members of the press and the media. I am Rotarian Dr. Kanhaiya Sirsat, President of Rotary Club of Mapsa Millennials, आणि माझ्याबरोबर आसात आमचे प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट आणि इव्हेंट चेअर फॉर रोटरी सायक्लोथॉन 24 रोटेरियन कनक नाशनोलकर. आज हो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आपोवपाचो मेन उद्देश म्हटल्यार रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा मिलेनियल्स इज अ young generation club in district 3170. It is the youngest club in the field of Rotary in our district. Rotary Club of Mapsa Millennials हांणी खूबशे प्रोजेक्ट्स फाटल्या एका वर्सान आपल्या हातीन घेतल्यात आनी सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट केल्यात. To name it a few, we have done a successful Vadarmare project which we have donated a solar lights to the community. तातूंतल्यानूच एक inclusion म्हटल्यार we have also taken on board our Interact Club of Ganesh Vidya Mandir, where we promote youth आणि युथान आम्ही वेगवेगळे सर्विसेस एज वेल एज ॲक्टिव्हिटीज प्रमोट केल्ले आसात. त्याचबरोबर आमचे अनेक प्रोजेक्ट जो आशिल्लो विच वॉज आवर कम्युनिटी बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट जे आम्ही थ्रू आउट करत असतात. दॅट इज अ मल्टी स्पेशालिटी कॅम्प्स बेसिकली टार्गेटिंग डिफरंट एरियाज, रिमोट एरियाज वेर आम्ही मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज and not only a particular pathy but multi speciality तातून आयुर्वेदा, होमिओपॅथी, ॲलोपॅथी as well as ॲलोपॅथीचे स्पेसिफिक जे सब्जेक्ट्स असतात त्याच्याबद्दल आम्ही लोकांना केटर करता आणि तांकां मेडिसिन्स एज वेल एज ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड करता. सो आज आम्ही हांगा आयिल्ले आसा एक मेन इव्हेंटा बद्दल उलोवपा खातीर, दॅट इज रोटरी रिपब्लीक सायक्लोथॉन 2024. सो हाजे बद्दल तुमकां मोर आनी डिटेलान सांगपा खातीर आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट आर इव्हेंट चेअर आणि आमचो प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट ऑफ 2024 रोटेरियन कनक नाशनोलकर की हांणी तुमकां फुडले स्वार्थेन थोडे डिटेल्स ह्या इव्हेंटा बद्दल सांगचे.
Hello, I am President-elect Rotarian Kanak National and also the event chair for this particular event. The event is named as Rotary Republic Cyclothon. So this is a mega sports event of our club, which is being conducted for the second time. So this is the second edition to the mega sports event, and it is going to be conducted in the month of January to celebrate the Republic Festival. So for this particular event, we will be having two routes. One route will be a 40-kilometer route and the second route will be a 13-kilometer route. So the 40-kilometer route will be targeting sports enthusiasts, fitness people, and also promoting tourism. So the route will be going from Mapsa to Green Park, and from Green Park to Kuchilim, Kamodlim, Sholim, Chopram Circle, and coming back in the similar route. So this will be a very scenic route and a very fun experience for the cyclists. We will also be having a 13-kilometer special route which will be from Mapsa to Green Park to Karasgoda and back. So this is a special edition that we have done this year. So this will be promoting a this will be having a special concept. So it will be promoting relationships and bonding between parent and child, brothers, sisters, grandparent and child. So this is a bonding and also encouraging fitness among families. Also for this particular event, we have started the registrations today. So we'll be starting off with it, and for the registrations are done on our website. The website is www.rotarymapsamillennials.org, and the charges are for the 40-kilometer ride, the charges will be 1,200, and for the 13-kilometer ride will be 750 rupees. So all the funds collected from the ticketing would be used for good cause such as community projects, helping underprivileged children with their education and promoting women empowerment. So all the funds are completely going for the community. So it is a good cause that all the public will be contributing to. Also for this event, we have a short trailer lined up which I would like you to have a look at. Very nice scenic beauties of Goa, North Goa. So So I encourage every one of you to register as soon as possible for the same. Over to the
Yes, so आता आम्ही जसे पहिले की we have launched our trailer for the event. As our event chair has said, this is the second edition of the Rotary Republic Cyclothon 2014. Last year आमका खूप बरा response आशिल्लो, but it was the first year. And this year we aim of targeting even more number of people. As well, we have a special edition जसे आमचे event chair म्हटले की we are celebrating relationships. Relationship म्हटलं आता तुमची आवय आणि चलो असू शकता, बापू आणि चलो असू शकता, grandmother आणि grandson असू शकता. हातून आम्ही बेसिकली करतात की आम्ही वी आर एनकरेजिंग बॉन्डिंग एज वेल एज वी आर प्रमोटिंग स्पोर्ट्स इन दी रिलेशनशिप एज वेल एज इन द कम्युनिटी. सो लोकांनी हाचो पुरेपूर फायदो घेवचो. दिस इज द युनिकनेस ऑफ रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा मिलेनियल्स दॅट वी ऑलवेज कम अप विथ समथिंग न्यू इनोवेटिव्ह प्रोजेक्ट्स सो एज टू कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर एबिलिटी टू द कम्युनिटी. हाचेच बरोबर अपार्ट फ्रॉम आवर इव्हेंट वी हॅव ऑल्सो made our website which will be live from today for the general public, wherein आमचे जे कितें past projects आसात जे आमी फाटल्या वर्सा केले, because our club has was installed last year as well as आता this is the second year of its inception. So जे कितें आमी projects करतात, जे कितें आमी activities करतात, general publicaक एक one point of contact त्या साइटीर वचून तुमकां सगळे pictures, सगळे videos तुमच्या खातीर available आसतले. So I would take this opportunity to also launch our website today. So it would be live from today onwards, and it is Rotary www.rotarymapsamillennials.org. So आम्ही थोड्याच वेळान तुमकां दाखयतले आमच्या वेबसायटीर स्पेसिफिक कितें आसा तें. So this is about the event and requesting maximum participation from the general public. It is again I'm going to tell you it's on 14th of January, celebrating Republic Day, celebrating patriotism, celebrating togetherness, celebrating bonding through the sports and fitness. So has a पुरेपूर सगळ्या लोकांनी फायदो घेवचो, and as well as the funds coming would be used for community service. So थोडा जो भाग आसतलो तुम्ही जे कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करता तातूंतल्यान आमी लार्जर डिफरन्स क्रिएट करपाक कम्युनिटीन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करतले. सो हाचेर तुम्ही खूब चडान चड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करचे अशें तुमचे कडेन मागणी आसा. थँक यू सो वेरी मच टू दी members of the press and media for coming over here. Thank you so much. Cycles would be ना सायकल्स जे आशिल्ले इवन लास्ट इयर सायकल्स जो पार्टिसिपंट आसतलो ताणें सायकल्स घेवन येवचे पडटले. एज आवर इव्हेंट चेअर हॅज ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन, रूट जो आसतलो इट इज accompanying an easy route as well as adding a little bit of twist to it, a little difficulty level wherein you have to struggle to achieve that goal. So आमकां सगळ्यांकूच खबर आसा इजी गजाल सगळी केन्नाय आमकां मेळत जाल्यार इट बिकम्स वी डू नॉट कन्सिडर इट एज दॅट मच ऑफ इम्पॉर्टन्स. बट जेन्ना एक डिफिकल्टी लेवल एक ट्विस्ट जेन्ना घालता इट्स ऑलवेज एन अट्रॅक्शन एंड अ सेन्स ऑफ USP टू दॅट इव्हेंट. सो हातून तुमकां डिफिकल्टी लेवलूय आसतले, चडान चड इजी लेवलूय आसतले, एज वेल एज यू विल गेट अ ब्युटिफूल व्यू ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ द रिवर बँक्स. सो आतां जशें तुमी पळयलें इट इज वन ऑफ द क्लिप वीच वी हॅव टेकन फ्रॉम आवर रूट. सो या so here this is our first website, the Rotary Club of म्हापसा Millennials that we are launching today in front of you all. So हांगा जर तुम्ही पळयत it focuses basically on what all we do. Rotary Club of म्हापसा Millennials जर तुम्ही पळयत community service where we have contributed in the Vanarmale solar project. जेन्ना आमी एक solar lamps तांकां आमी contribute केले because that community had difficulty in education. तांकां रातचो अभ्यास करपा खातीर तांकां लायट्स नाशिल्ले. So I would love to the initiative and with the leadership of our past president and our charter president Rotarian Pratik Vilankar to contribute solar lights in this community. तशेंच आमचे youth services आसात wherein on the day of Independence Day of India we had done a poster painting competition at an NGO in म्हापसा itself wherein we encouraged the kids to do these activities. Thirdly, we had vocational services wherein आमी community लेवलाचेर skill development करता. ही आमकां कळना खबर आसा which is we have used and we have seen this in our childhood. पण आतां खंय तरी हे एक एक्सिट जाता. But if you see in terms of restaurants जर तुमी वचून पळयशात, this is something which is attractive and people are finding a lot of attractiveness into this this kind of activities. Plus, it is again focusing our upcoming mega event, Rotary Republic Cyclone. 37 days, 11 hours left. Why we should do a pedal for a change, what we get from it, and our gallery below basically showcasing our last year's pictures and a glimpse which takes you through a ride. The last year activities kelli and the number of people participating. We had the Honorable Deputy Speaker as the chief guest along with our GSR and VIA Chairman Pratiksha Kala and the other dignitaries. And it was a fun event basically, and in this website will give you just a glimpse regarding our entire activities we do. So this is our launch and it's open to the public.